Hello GIS family. Today I am going to explain how to merge multiple shapefiles into a single shapefile. Now I am loading one shapefile here because a district shapefile which is West Godavari. Along with I am adding other shapefiles. So first we have to select .shp format. So here I am selecting multiple .shp format. So now just drag and drop into ArcGIS. Now you can see a multiple shapefiles get loaded into the ArcGIS. So before going there, just open the attribute table, just see what are the features is available in the table, right? So now I am going to merge all the shapefile into a single shapefile. So for this, we have to first open the Arc toolbox. Then there is the option of data management tools. Just click on that. Here you can see there was an option as a general. So click on the general toolbox. Then we have a function merge. So select it. So this is the one way to select the merge function. Another way is you have to set it. So there was an option here, Control F, or you just click on that, then you will get to see. Now here you can type it mesh. So here you can see the data management tools of mesh. So click that. So now you can select which shapers you want to mesh it. So I want to mesh all the shapers here. So first click on the first shaper and the last one with the help of shift button. So all the shapers will get select here. Then you can drag and drop into input datasets. Now you can see the output dataset path location. We have to select and give the path location. So here I am creating one new shape folder to save the output location. So I am giving output the path name. So copy the location here and paste it here. And we have to change the name. So here I'm giving maths.shp. So just click on OK. Then it will take time based on your the date input data. So if it is a less data, then it will take less time to make it match. If it is a high volume of data, it will take more time. Now my merge is completed. Now I am turning off all the layers. So just turn off and just click turn on the merge. Now you can see all the shapers get loaded. Then I am going to symbology to show different colors. So just click on the properties, go to the symbology, go to the categories. So here I am giving the level one. Just give add all values. So it will give all the classes of the shapefile. So just click on apply. So click OK. So we can see there are the different type of land curves. So that's all. Please leave a comment if you feel any error. Hope you understand. Thank you.